Hi everybody, and welcome to my short introduction on Python. I'm going to continue my videos today looking at 1D arrays and then more importantly traversing a 1D array. So effectively searching that array and determining whether those items are above or below a particular value. So we're going to create a total that goes along with that. I've created the basic structure of the program in terms of the title and date and my name, as well as the input, the calculating of the total A grades, and then displaying that total at the end there. All right, so let's get going in terms of getting started. So the first thing we're going to do with this program is we're effectively going to feed in 5 values. We're going to, those values are going to be grades, which we're then going to check whether or how many of those grades entered are going to be A grades, and then we're going to display that at the end. Just gives you an idea of what traversing a 1D array is all about in that side of things. So starting from, we're going to create our all grades array. And we're going to multiply that one in by 5 because we're just going to set the value how many we're looking for. And we're going to say then total A equals 0, so the total number of A's, we'll start off that total as 0. And then what we're going to do is we're going to set up our input. So we're going to print, and we're printing that if you can enter so please enter the grade A to F for student X, so whatever that may be in terms of the counter, and we then can put grade is equal to input. Side of things. Okay, so each grade we're going to have to add into our all grades array. So we're going to say all grades dot end. We're going to add in grade into that there. Okay. All right, and then what we need to do is we need to calculate the total A grades. And to do this, we use another for, and we say for X in range, we are going to search between 0 and the length of all grades. So we can look at each of the individual elements of all grades in order for us to see what is in there. Okay. We'll need to come back and do a loop up the top here, but in essence for the 5 values, but I'll just finish off this a little bit. And then we're going to say total. Let's look, sorry. You put an F first. So if all grades X is equal to A, all grades X is equal to lowercase a. Okay, you could also put in an upper here, so you could only have one value, and whatever value is entered, you could change into upper. So that's an alternative way of doing it. And create total A equals total A plus 1. Okay, so once we enter that value in, or we see that value within our array, then it will add 1 to the total A. Now, just need to make sure that I've got total A, they're all the same way of treating that, that's fine. All right, so in order to do it around a fixed loop, we are, let's say for X in range, and 1 to 6, or 0 to 5, whatever way you want to do it. I can print grades. Okay. All right. Now the last thing we need to do is to print out our total, and that doesn't have to be in anything, so we'll just put print here. Okay. So check that works if we. Okay, let's give that a try. Just. Okay, so please enter the grade for student 1. We will do an A, a B, a C, a D, and an F. Alright, so we've got all grade is not defined, so we just need to look back into the len. I put all grade instead of all grades. That's fine. All grades. Let's just rerun that again. Okay, so there's a total of 1 grade A or grade A's in the class. Okay, you may make that a little bit better in terms of how it outputs, but in essence, that you get the gist of how that's going to operate. Okay, give it a try, see how you get on.